Hello guys, good morning. Today is day 89 of my Python coding. I finished this project last night. So this is a developer website for to-do list web design. We used Python for backend, Bootstrap for front end, and Flask. Actually, we used Flask for our app route. Also, we used SQLAlchemy for our database and Virtuoik for the security. So let me show you guys. We are actually already logged in, and you can see this is the profile name of the user. If we click this one, then all the to-do list authored by the user, current user, will be shown. But if we want to see also other authors, select this one. We can see all the authors, the to-do list made by this author. So if we click home, we can see all of the to-do list. We got concepts and to-do and in progress, on hold and done. And we can change the status. Let's say this concept move to, we change the concept to to-do. So, or we can change the concept to in progress. We can submit the project update, and so the user can also give the comment to the project. And if we submit the comment here, it's already here. We can log out, okay, and we can log in a new user. If we log in the admin user, let's say reach@email.com. Okay, and enter the password. This is admin mode now. If we click one of the projects, actually there is an option not only to edit but to delete. So this is only for exclusive for the admin. So let's give an example to this. The user is an admin, ReachLJ, and the author is Apsaradi, and it has several comments by Mr. Turtle. As an admin, we can delete, we can opt to delete this. So let's click delete. This is project number 11, guys, take note. So if we click delete, so the list and all the comments related to it in the database are deleted. So if we check project number 11 with the done status is gone. Okay, already deleted, guys. So, and again, similarly, we can paste our comment here. We can submit our comment, so it's now here. So we used Gravatar for profile. In the future we'll change it to photos, profile photos. And so if we click the profile name here, all the to-do list made or under that user, authored by that user, will appear. Or we can select also from here, it will still be of the same effect. Or if we click Juchan DJ, all the to-do list made by Juchan DJ will appear. Or we can add a new list, guys. First we have to log out. Okay, let's log out, and let's log in under Juchan DJ. Okay, Juchan.email, and let's log in. Once we log in, and we can actually see that the delete button disappeared because this is not, the user is not an admin. And we can submit another comment here. We have a single comment here. Now it will have two comments. This is project number 9. Status is to-do. This is the title, project title or to-do title, and the author is Absurdi. Okay, and let's say we log out, guys. Or we can add a new list. Let's try adding a new list. Okay, under the name Juchan DJ as the author. So let's say title of the list. Let's paste here the title from Beacon Ipsum, and let's say the details. Let's put some details. The status, let's put in progress. In the particulars, the details of the project, we can submit. So we have a new one in progress. Where's that? The in progress, this one, made by Juchan DJ. Since it's new, there is no comment yet, so let's post a comment from the same user. Let's put the comment, and now it appears here, guys. So let's log out and let's register a new user. Let's enter valid email, bacon@email.com, and let's say password 5. Okay, and the name Peppa. Let's say Peppa the Pig. Peppa Pig. Okay, sign me up. So now our user is Miss Peppa Pig. Okay, Miss Peppa Pig is now the author. If we create a new list, okay, or if we make a comment. So let's make one list made by Peppa. Okay, project title, and let's put the details here, and let's set it as a concept. Okay, concept is a drop down button. So now we have a new concept by Peppa Pig. Okay, and let's try to send a comment. Okay, by Peppa Pig. So this to-do list is good for a small team, so everybody can see the updates of the task. Okay, and let's say we click Peppa Pig here, so we can see all the project started by Peppa Pig. So it's here, and if we select another author, we can see the original, the first user, the admin, has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the list. And let's check for Juchan DJ. Juchan DJ has 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And actually we can change the, let's say, the progress of this project, change to from progress to on hold. Let's say we're waiting for something, so let's submit on hold. So it's now changed, the color also changed to on hold. And let's send a comment why we change it to on hold. So Peppa Pig submitted a comment for this task. So we can see now Peppa Pig submitted a comment and why it's put on hold. So if we click, guys, home, so we're back to all the list by all authors. Okay, so I think I have shown you everything. That's it, guys. So thank you. I hope you enjoyed this presentation. A to-do list website for my TH9 project. We can log out now, and if we log out, all the tasks are hidden, so we need to log in or register to see the task. As an admin, we have the option to delete. So, okay, so delete. Integrity error. Just wait, guys. So